So you just replace the motherboard on your Lenovo laptop or desktop. On that case, you need to input the old serial number of your new motherboard. We're gonna demonstrate how to do this process. For that, we need a tool. Just have in mind that this is not for Lenovo ThinkPads laptop. You can use this tool and process on any Lenovo, but not Lenovo ThinkPads. For that, the process is very different and the tool to be used is also different. We have created many videos on that process too. Okay, what we're gonna do first, you can insert your tool, but before we're gonna go to the BIOS. We need to do some settings so it can read our tool well. In the BIOS, you can see the machine type and serial number are in an invalid status. On security tab, you will go to secure boot. Then under secure boot, you will hit disable and save the configuration. After pressing yes, your computer should restart. You're gonna wait. You should be able to see the Lenovo logo once it restarts, and then you're gonna press F12. That is for you to shoot the boot menu. Again, this process is not for ThinkPads laptops. There is a new tool that you can use in any Lenovo, but not this one. We're gonna make a video on that new tool later. Once you see the boot menu, you should be able to see your USB. You can select it and press enter. After that, your tool will start working right away. You will see now this screen. On that screen, you can press any key to continue. Once you do that, you will see a new menu. Just select the first option and press enter again. This is the main menu of your tool. On the top, you will see kind of an example of the string or the commands that we're gonna use. It's a little bit like CMD. And as you see here, each command will start with u1.nsh. You can also use only u1. Only two codes are needed, machine type and serial number, and we're gonna start doing the machine type. You will start typing u1 space MD / space quotation marks. Then inside the quotation marks, type your whole machine type number. Sometimes on the device, like under it, you can find it. Sometimes you could see only 4 numbers, but look well, because in many cases are 8 or 10 numbers. On my case, I have 10 numbers. After that, you will close your quotation mark, press enter. You will see a message, wait for it, and then it will kind of restart and you will see the menu again. If you can see on the top, machine type is already in, but the serial number of the SN is still missing. That's what we're gonna input right now. Before we continue, if you find any value in this video, go ahead, subscribe, join. We're doing a lot of video for our community. Don't forget to leave your like. This will really help us to get to more people. Share to anybody that you think that have to see this video. Also, if my video helped you and you would like to show your appreciation, you can send a super thanks via YouTube. This helps us continue making more videos. For the serial number is the same. You will start with u1 space / LN, on this case, space quotation mark, and then start writing your serial number. Make sure you do it well. On my case, I have 8 numbers, but I'm blurring it because I don't want you guys to see my serial number. Close that quotation mark, press enter, and you will see the message saying is all well. The tool will kind of restart. Just wait for it. Now you should be able to see the machine type and your serial number on top. After that, you are all set. Just type exit, press enter, and your computer will restart. Now with your new serial number already input. I'm gonna leave the link to download this tool down in the post section only for members. So if you wanna get the access for this tool, just become a member. After that, you should be able to see it under the post tab. Now what I'm doing is just making sure it's all good, and here in the BIOS you can see the machine type and serial number are already showing up here in the BIOS. I really hope this video has given you an idea on how to fix your problem. If you have any question, let me know down below in the comments. I will see you in the next video.